In this video, I'll explain how to find areas for given z values. So we're looking at the standard normal probabilities from table B. So these are the probabilities or areas under the standard normal distribution. Now let's try to remember what a standard normal distribution is. It's a normal distribution with center 0 and standard deviation equal to 1. Now, for any normal distribution, the center is always the mean. So in this case, it is 0. You go 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3 to the left. So 3 standard deviations to the right and 3 standard deviations to the left. The graph is almost done. So you don't have to show a whole lot of. So we have 1, 2, 3 to the right, 1, -1, -2, -3 to the left, and the graph is almost done. So if you look at the first page of the standard normal probabilities, you'll see on top of the page this graph, which tells you that the table entries, you're look at the main part of the table, the entries, all the numbers that you see here give you the area to the left of a certain z value. So if you're looking for a certain z value, then the table gives you the area to the left of it. So the table starts off with -3.4. So let's look at the column headed by z. Okay, so the first number is -3.4. Now these columns give us the second decimal place of the z value. So if you want to find the area to the left of -3.41, then we go down this row and then stop here because that's the second decimal place is 1. So that would be, this would be the area corresponding to the left of -3.41. Suppose I want to find the area to the left of -2.85. So we look at the z value. So this is our z value, and we're trying to find the area to the left of the z value, -2.85. So under z, look down the column and stop at 2.8, -2.8. And then we are now looking for 2.85, so we have to stop at 0.05. So we stop here because that would be the second decimal place, which is 5. So this number corresponds to the area to the left of -2.85. Now suppose I want to find the area to the left of z equals -1.32. So it's still negative, so all the negative values are on this page. So -1.3, so let's see where we can find -1.3. So we're looking at the first column headed by z, so -1.3 is right here. Now we want -1.32, so we're looking for a second decimal place of 2. So we keep going down this row and stop at 0.02 because that would be -1.32. So the area to the left of -1.32 is 0.0934. Now the second page of the table gives us the areas to the left of any z value which is positive, starting from 0. So if you want to find the area to the left of 0.00 basically, so that would be 0.5, and that makes sense because the total area under the curve is 1, and if I'm trying to find the area to the left of 0.00, which is 0, it would be 50% of the curve, which is 0.5. So just remember that the areas, which is the table entries, are the areas to the left of the z values. Now if I want to find the area to the left of the z value 1.8, now let's look at 1.8, and I'd have to go to 1.80, so that's 0.9641. So if I want 1.8, then that's really 1.80, so the second decimal place which is given by these numbers is 0.00, so that would be 1.80. If I wanted to go to 1.89, then I would keep going down this row and stop at 0.09, so that would be the area to the left of 1.89, and the area to the left of 1.89 would be 0.9706. So what if I want to find the area to the right of 1.89? So 1.89, the best thing would be to sketch it first. So that's 1, 2, 3. So we look at 2 here. So 1.89 is somewhere here. So 1.89, the area to the left of it is given by the table, given in the table as a table entry. If we want to find the area to the right of it, then we go 1 minus, because 1 is the total area under the curve, and then whatever the area to the left is, that is 0.9706. So 1 minus the area to the left is the area to the right. Now suppose I want to find the area to the right of, let's say 3.11. So 3.1, this is 3.10 and this is 3.11. So that's 0.9991. So that would be the area to the left of 3.11. What if I want to find the area to the right of 3.11? In that case, we'd find the area to the left of 3.11. So 3.11 would be 1, 2, 3, somewhere here. So area to the left of it is given by the table entry, and that's equal to 0.9991. And the area to the right of it, which would be this tiny little area, would be 1 minus 0.9991. Use your calculator and that would be the area to the right of it.